AI has been around for many, many years, decades, in fact. And now, for the last few years, what we are seeing is the emergence of something called generative AI. And then in the last year, something which is known as agentic AI. How I would break down as generative AI and agentic AI is basically it's a learning system. So might have heard something called LLM, which is a large language model. And what you do is you train the language models and you're feeding data to it, and then it is recognizing patterns. And so it's like how humans learn by evolving and the experience. And that's, to put it very simply, that's how the language models learn. And then you're feeding your data to it, and it's there's something known as RAG, retrieval augmented generation. So you're feeding something, then it's retrieving the data, and then it's augmenting to the input that you fed, and then generating the results. So how it can help law enforcement agencies is there's humongous amount of data that law enforcement agencies deal with, and it is humanly impossible to process all of that data and in a relatively fast amount of time. And that's where AI can step in. So there's a lot of data that AI can help process. And of course we will be putting our guardrails around it, or basically making sure that it is not hallucinating, that the model is not hallucinating, or there are no biases. So you have to basically do the AI engineering, advanced AI engineering. It's also known as advanced prompt engineering, in such a fashion that it is giving you the results that are accurate and not biased or hallucinations.